So here what we're going to do, we're going to continue doing the expanded form, and now we're going to be finding the value for the exponents. So we need to make sure that we're not confusing it when we're doing multiplication, that we are actually doing the actual multiplication and not addition. So make sure that you're doing that. Now the first one has 3 to the first power, so the expanded form would just be 3. So the value would be 3. So that one's easy because all you're doing is just showing that. Now 2/3 to the second power is 2/3 times 2/3. So please do not add that, because what you're doing, you're multiplying it. So 2 times 2 is 4 and 3 times 3 is 9. So the value is 4 9ths. Now, when you have 4 to the 0 power, well, there's no expanded form because there's no number. So this would be just a value of 1. And 2 to the 4th power, the expanded form would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So what you're going to do, you're going to multiply it. And I do it different ways, and you could do the same thing. So I do 2 times 2 is 4. And then 2 times 2 is another 4, and 4 times 4 is 16. So the value here is 16. So I'm going to show you another example because I feel like we could do more. So I want you to make sure that you are not doing 2 times 4 is 8, because that would be wrong. So if you're saying the value for this, so if you say this is 8 because you did 2 times 4, then that's going to be wrong. Please do not do that. That's a common mistake students make. So if I had, let's see, 3 to the 4th power, then what I would do, I would write it out 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And then I could go ahead and do my multiplication. So I would do 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 9 is 81. So you see the difference, how it grows more. So when they're saying, they're giving you an exponent, they usually say that it grows exponentially. That means it's growing really, really fast. Because multiplication, 3 times 4 does grow, because you go from 3 and then you do times 4, you're adding it 3 4 times, it gives you 12. But you do 3 to the 4th power, it grows so much, from 3 to 81, that's when we say exponential form. So it's growing exponentially. So make sure you understand the difference. Please don't make the mistake that just do 3 times 4 and that's equals to 12, because that will be wrong, and that's a common mistake a lot of students make. So hopefully you understand this and you're able to go ahead and solve the next 3 problems. Make sure that you are doing expanded form and then solve it from there, because it's easier when you solve it from the expanded form than just doing it from the exponential form. So good luck with that, and come back to the video if you don't understand it.